If you're concerned that your previous defaults registered on your credit profile are harming your chances of getting the mortgage,
in this video, we're going to look at how to get a mortgage with defaults in the background. So the first factor that's taken into consideration is when were the defaults registered. So the further away that the defaults were registered, the more lenders that are available to you. The more lenders that are available to you, the lower the deposit that's needed for the mortgage, and also the lower risk that you are to the lender, and therefore a lower interest rate should hopefully be available.
the next thing to consider is, have the defaults been satisfied? If defaults have been satisfied, it would increase your score, which present you as less of a risk to the lender. If the defaults have also been satisfied, it will mean that potentially you'll put down less deposit to secure the mortgage.
So the last factor to take into consideration is the type of default. Certain types of defaults can be ignored. So some lenders will ignore utilities or communication defaults, for example. Also, the amount of the default is also taken into consideration. Some lenders have a limit of £300, some lenders have a limit of £500. And if your default is below that level, they may also ignore that default. The last thing is also, it may also impact the amount of the deposit that's needed, dependent on the type of default.
As you can see, it could be possible for you to get a mortgage even at defaults registered on your credit profile.
Head over to our website, leave an inquiry, and we'll match you to one of our specialist brokers.
And create the financial future you deserve.